This is just a small overview of how we make a knife. This video is about making a hidden tang knife. The blade was made and heat treated before. Now the tang was welded to it. Here you can see how the front bolster is made of brass and soldered to the blade. We use silver solder for that. Making of rear bolster. The rear bolster in this case is made of two brass sheets soldered together.
Ta peab ikkagi olema sujuv, muidu ei saa.
Drilling holes to the handle and gluing the knife together with epoxy. The wood is amaranth. After the epoxy has dried, the knife is grinded down roughly. The final shape is drawn and lots of grinding and sanding with different tools is done. The sheath is made of natural leather. It is cut to shape, pattern is stamped on, and then the sheath is glued and sewn together. Pattern stamps we engraved from brass sheet. This is the most important part of the sheath, the maker's mark. Both ends of belt loop are thinned down, so it is better to sew them. The sheath is drowned in acetone, so it could be formed to fit the knife tightly. Dyeing is done by immersing the sheath in the leather dye. Logo is done by electroetching with pre-made stencils. There we go. Now the knife is ready for engraving.